The creation of the BMW M5 CS, a 627 horsepower performance machine, begins long before its engine ever roars to life. Inside the factory, the journey starts with massive coils of high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum arriving at the material handling area. These raw sheets are transported to the stamping section, where gigantic presses shape them into body components with extreme precision. Each press delivers thousands of tons of force, forming doors, fenders, roof sections, and structural reinforcements. Robotic arms swiftly lift, rotate, and align these stamped pieces, sending them toward the welding department, where the true skeleton of the M5 CS comes alive. In the welding hall, dozens of synchronized robotic welders move with lightning accuracy, joining panels with perfect seams that ensure rigidity and safety. Sparks dance in controlled bursts as the frame, chassis, and body shell take shape. Laser measurement systems scan every millimeter, verifying that each weld aligns with BMW's strict engineering tolerances. As the body shell becomes complete, it moves through the sealing and bonding stations where adhesives and insulating materials are applied to strengthen the structure and reduce vibration and road noise, enhancing the driving experience expected from an M-Series flagship. Next, the unpainted body enters the paint shop, one of the most technologically advanced zones in the entire factory, before a single drop of color touches the metal. The body is submerged in anti-corrosion baths that coat every hidden crevice for long-term durability. After cleaning and drying, robots apply a primer layer, ensuring a smooth foundation. Precision paint robots then glide around the body with near-human finesse, applying the chosen finish often BMW's signature frozen colors or deep metallic shades with perfect consistency. A clear coat follows, giving the M5C as its deep shine and protecting it from UV rays and harsh weather. The painted shell then enters a curing oven that hardens the finish, giving the car its trademark gloss and resilience. Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, the beating heart of the M5 CS is being engineered with meticulous care. The 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine is assembled by master technicians and specialized robotic systems. Each component, pistons, turbochargers, camshafts, cooling systems, and ignition units is installed with micrometer-level precision. The engine is then tested on advanced dyno benches to confirm horsepower, torque delivery, and responsiveness. Beside it, the 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission is assembled and calibrated, ensuring lightning-fast shifts and absolute reliability under the car's immense power. When both are ready, they are mounted together onto a subframe, waiting to meet the body. Back on the main line, the painted body arrives at the assembly area, where hundreds of components begin to merge. Skilled technicians install wiring harnesses that link the entire electrical nervous system of the car. The M-specific interior begins to take shape as carbon fiber elements, premium Alcantara trims, lightweight racing seats, and the M steering wheel are fitted with precision. The dashboard is mounted, digital displays are connected, and advanced performance software systems are prepared for activation. Every inch of the interior is checked for alignment, stitching accuracy, and flawless fit. As the assembly progresses, the engine and transmission unit, now fully prepared, are lifted and aligned with the chassis. The marriage process begins. The powertrain is bolted into the body with exact torque measurements. Suspension components, including adaptive dampers and high-performance springs, are installed next. Lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires are mounted, completing the stance of the M5 CS. Braking systems with gold-painted calipers and carbon ceramic discs are added, giving the car the stopping power needed for its extreme speed. With the exterior now largely complete, the vehicle heads into the electronics and sensor calibration zone. Advanced driver assist systems, cameras, radars, and performance modules are tested and synced. Technicians run the car through digital diagnostics to ensure every system, traction control, launch control, adaptive suspension, infotainment, and safety features, is functioning flawlessly. The car is then moved into the water leak test booth, where high-pressure jets simulate extreme weather. If even a single drop enters the cabin, the car is sent back for correction. The next stage is the rolling road test, where the BMW M5 CS is placed on dynamometers that allow technicians to run it at high speeds while stationary. They listen for unusual vibrations, monitor engine output, check transmission behavior, and test braking performance. After passing these checks, the car is driven onto the outdoor track. Professional drivers push it through acceleration runs, sharp turns, heavy braking, and high-speed stretches, confirming its stability, agility, and raw power. Every response from the steering, suspension, and engine is evaluated to ensure the car delivers the thrilling performance expected from the most powerful M5 ever built. Once the BMW M5 CS has cleared all testing phases, it moves to final inspection, where specialists examine paint quality, panel alignment, interior fitment, and overall craftsmanship. After receiving approval, the car undergoes a final detailing session, bringing out its signature shine before it is transported to the delivery yard. From raw metal to a 627 horsepower masterpiece, every step reflects engineering excellence, precision robotics, and passionate craftsmanship. The journey ends with the BMW M5 CS standing ready for the Rodan elite machine built with perfection in mind.